Roses, roses, roses. I'm telling you, you're going to want to see what this deep conditioner do for my hair. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. First off, go ahead and subscribe. If I get on this camera with my hair looking like this, I deserve a subscription. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and re-wet my hair. It looks a hot mess right now, but we about to get together with this deep conditioner. Yes, I expect it to provide my hair with moisture. Moisture is what we're looking for, so let's see what happens. You guys, this is the Annabelle's Perfect Blend OMG. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Whatever you want to say, deep conditioner. So let's go ahead and get this open. First off, you know when I do that look, it smells good. When I say this smells good, it smells like some candy. And it's so pretty. It has the color of light turquoise, lavender, and peach. Anyway, this is super soft, smooth, creamy. It reminds me actually of like Cool Whip or something like that. Yes, it feels good on the skin as you see me smoothing it in. And again, it smells good. Yeah, we're not going to eat it. We're not going to eat it. It does look good enough to eat. It looks like cotton candy. It just looks yummy. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this hair section off. I need to go ahead and, pull some moisture back into my hair because I am going to protective style my hair. You'll need to stay tuned for a follow-up video to see what protective style I'm going for. But let's go ahead and apply this. I'll let you guys watch me, listen to a little bit of music, and then I'll be back to let you know what I think of this deep conditioner. There we go, roses. There we go. So, as you can see, my hair is completely rinsed out now. I can see my texture as I should, and my hair feels moisturized. Like I said, that was the goal. Goal accomplished. This deep conditioner had amazing slip. As you can see, I was able to further detangle my hair. So pretty pleased. Annabelle's Perfect Blend. If you haven't, make sure you check out the website at AnnabellePerfectBlend.com. Not Annabelle's with the S, perfectblend.com, but AnnabellePerfectBlend.com. Check it out. Follow Annabelle's Perfect Blend on Instagram, on Facebook. Pay attention, y'all, because she's always coming out with new products all of the time. So, final thoughts? I love this deep conditioner and so glad I used it to prepare my hair for my protective style. Make sure you subscribe, y'all. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.